Enjin coin holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again I'm present with the emergency update of Enjin coin holders. Never miss this update and must watch, my friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel and also like this video, my friends, for more news and updates videos. At this time, the latest price of the Enjin coin in the market is 1.18 USD dollar, and on the other side, if you look the BTC Bitcoin price of the Enjin coin, so the market cap is fast. You can see here and the 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply, every update on the front of your eyes. You can easily read it, and let me show you, my friends. You know what question people ask me many times? The price. The people ask me questions about the price of the Enjin coin, that when will the price of Enjin coin pump? Is Enjin coin give us profit or loss? People ask me this type of questions. But my friends, you know what is my answer for those people? My answer for those people, that absolutely every coin you hold, they will give you profit. Every coin. But one condition, my friends, if you hold, so you will get a profit, and if you not hold, so how you can get a profit from the Enjin coin? Anyways, I know this time the price is completely fast down. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes is going negative, but this not mean that you decide to sell. You have to hold, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the Enjin coin, my friends. You can see here that the Enjin coin price is completely fast down from the last 1 day. Last 24 hours, the price of Enjin coin is going down day by day, hour by hour. Every minute the price of the Enjin coin is going down. From the chart, that's clear, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Enjin coin? In this time, my prediction is going positive, because that is the common rules of cryptocurrencies market, that after a falls there is a jump, and now at this time the Enjin coin fast down, so after a falls there is a jump. Maybe they take a pump in the future. What you think about that? Tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.